The National Food Safety Authority aims to protect Egyptian consumers from the risks associated with imported food, as well as to enhance the efficiency of clearing consignments at ports of entry. In accordance with WTO and Codex principles, NFSA is modernizing Egypt's approach to food import control through adopting new pre-border, at-border, and post-border control procedures. Pre-border controls, which includes seeking assurances and relying upon the compliance verification of competent authorities from exporting countries, requiring certification of food exporters and consignments destined for Egypt through a third-party service provider or through the competent authority of the exporting country, necessitating that importers demonstrate the effectiveness of a supplier verification assessment which showcases and documents how these exporters meet Egypt's food regulatory requirements, to determine the level of risk of the imported consignment and assign the appropriate clearance channel before it reaches the borders. The following parameters will be used: inherent risks of the food commodity, existence of formal recognition of the exporting country's food safety system complying with NFSA's regulatory requirements, the level of effectiveness of the importer's verification of the supplier's compliance in the country of export, as well as the importer's ability to apply preventative controls, the level of compliance of the importer for similar or other shipments. Repeat non-compliance incidents would result in a stronger inspection. Meanwhile, a white list will be established for the importers who demonstrate good importing practices. At-border controls consist primarily of document checks and consignment inspections, including visual inspection and sampling for analysis where appropriate. And based on the risk level of each imported consignment, the following clearance channels will be determined. The green channel will be reserved for those consignments that present the lowest risk. These consignments will be sampled and inspected at a rate of 2% and 4%. The yellow channel is for consignments of moderate risk that demonstrate an acceptable likelihood of compliance. 4 sampling and inspection rates will be applied: 15%, 20%, 30%, and 40%. The orange channel is for consignments of medium to high risk. 4 sampling and inspection rates have been established: 50%, 60%, 70%, and 80%. Consignments in this clearance channel captured through NFSA's randomized inspection will be sampled, cleared from the port and into the custody of the importer, but not released to the market until compliance is verified through lab results. The red channel is reserved for high-risk consignments and will be inspected and sampled at a rate of 100%. Similar to the orange channel, consignments will be kept under the custody of the importer and not released to the market until compliance is verified through lab results. Post-border, NFSA will continue to ensure the safety of the Egyptian consumer by implementing a food monitoring program, working with industry to manage recall should risks emerge, documenting importer performance for future reference as one of the factors determining the risk level of consignments. Implementing this modern system will require an incremental approach and will be subject to continuous improvements.